So what we have here is a fully functional integration of hardware and ProtoPie through ProtoPie Connect. We have a electric bike rig set up here. You have the frame, we have the thruster, we have the mode button that will switch between eco mode and normal mode. We have this push button that will activate voice interaction. All this is connected to an Arduino, and then this Arduino is then connected to a mini PC which has Connect embed in it. And then you have the microphone that's going to pick up my voice. So let's start the interaction. So start. So as you see, Google Maps has been loaded. So now I'm going to ask Google to, I'm going to use voice interaction because this is connected through a bridge app that sends my location to Gemini, and then Gemini will get the context, and then it will go to use the Maps and Places API to pick the specific location, and then to draw a route from my starting point to my destination. So ProtoPie is going to pick up my voice, create a transcript, and then send that transcript to Gemini through the bridge app. So I will start. This is to start the voice. So I'll press it. Take me to Disneyland. Take me to Disneyland.
Navigating to Disneyland.
Here we go. So now the throttle is, when I pull on the throttle, it's going to start playing, like simulating navigating to the route or to the destination. So I'll just go down. As you can see now, it's now moving to its destination. And you can also see the speed is coming in, and this is being displayed on ProtoPie. I will just release that, and you can see it stops. So I'll start navigating again. And it's moving. So now I can also, I mentioned modes, eco mode and normal mode. If you look at the UI, right now it's saying normal, but once I press the button, you can see it goes to eco mode. I can go back to normal mode. Select back eco mode, and in eco mode you can see now the speed is capped to 45 kilometers per hour. I can reduce that, go back to normal mode, and then it go back to its top speed, which is 90 kilometers an hour. Right now, what you're seeing is the communication between the hardware device to ProtoPie, but the reverse is also true. So right now I have a headlight connected to this rig. It's at the front here. So I'm going to interact with the UI from ProtoPie, then it's going to send a message to turn the physical light on. As you can see, there's a light here. If I turn it off, on, and also so the UI also depicts what's happening with the lights. On, off. I can also maybe create a simulation for when the battery dies, and then say you have like an inbuilt AI, it's going to understand the context of what's happening to your system, and then ask you any sort of maybe suggestions based off what it has noticed with your system. So let's take an example. When your battery goes below a certain value, the system is going to detect that, and it's going to give you suggestions on what to do based off this value. So
Your battery is low. Should I find a nearby charging station?
yes, please.
I've located a charge point charging station nearby. Would you like me to reroute there?
Let's go.
Finding a path to Blink charging station now.
now I can then navigate to my charging station. So this is how this rig works. So you have physical components connected to an Arduino, to a PC, and then you have Connect running in the background with the Bridge app that helps you load the Google Maps. And the Bridge app also allows you to send messages between these physical buttons and ProtoPie, the UI. And so you can have back and forth communications between the two. Yeah.